This is for automatic one-color screen printing machine. Now let me introduce each part. This is stacking part, and this is loading system, and this one is Corolla treatment, and this one is sensor. This is printing system, and this is UV curing system, and this is unloading cup system. This one is Corolla system controller, and this one is UV curing system, and this operator panel. First, when you get the machine, you have to connect the stacking part, connect the power cable, and then adjust the stacking part same height as the unloading line. You have to put the stacking part and the unloading line in same straight line in this direction. Your stacking part and the unloading line must in the same line, straight line. Then you have to connect the air tube and open the air pressure. You can see the barometer. It must have a air pressure. In this side, you must adjust the stacking line in same straight line with the unloading line. Also, you can adjust the height with this part and up or down the stacking part with here. Then you can put the cap on the unloading line and lose this screw and move this part to move the same width with the cap. Both sides, this side and this side, the width is must the same with the cap, but it must lose a little, cannot mat too tight, otherwise the cap cannot move. You can see adjusted width. You can put some cup in this side and also this side, adjust the width same as the cup. Also need lose a little, make the cup can move. This side you must aim the cup center and the cup holder center. So to make sure the robot can pick up the cup and remove it on the unloading line. Then you can power on the machine and to check the stacking line. You can adjust the unloading belt speed in here. You can adjust the unloading line speed with this button. You can put some cap on the unloading line. Manual put the cap like this to check whether it can stacking the cup automatic. If the stacking line is too low, you have to adjust the height. If also you have to aim the stacking line center and the unloading line center. After it can stacking automatic, then it means okay.